Are you okay? All right. We got a call about your driving, that you were having problems staying in the lane. So, and I thought it was weird that you kind of like put your turn signal on and you took a while to figure out where you're going, and then when you made the left, you made this really wide turn. You okay? You sure? Okay. You have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
The woman seen here was stopped after multiple callers reported.
Well, I didn't really. I was following you because we got a call about your driving. And people were saying, I mean, from the 100-mile marker, they were calling about a red.
Really?
Yes. And so when you pulled in here, you made a very.
I'm not going to do that.
You're not going to do what?
I'm not gonna do
Put
that.
your car in park. Put your car in park.
No.
Car in park now.
Why?
Ma'am, put your car in park.
Why?
Step out all the way in park. Step out of the car for me. Because you were about to take off on me, and you are now lawfully detained. So please step out of the vehicle. Not kidding you.
Please step out.
No.
No?
No.
So either, listen, step out of the car. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the car.
Then I want to record everything.
We're recording too.
I will record.
We're recording.
Then I will record everything.
That's fine, but you need to step out of the car.
Step out,
You
please.
just let me record everything.
No, first you step out of the
No,
car, then
I'll
you
be
record anything.
Ma'am. Here.
No.
Well, you're either...
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So we've given you several lawful orders for you to step out of the car. You're refusing those orders. And I'm telling you to get out of the car right now.
She's telling me to get out of the car right now.
Yes.
Like, for
Yes.
what?
Because I'm conducting a DUI investigation.
We're not joking.
Deputies identify the woman as 60-year-old Deborah Odom, who decides now is a good time to share a message to her followers.
So here we are. I have.
I'm given that I can smell alcohol on your breath. Okay? You're sweating while you stand. I'm going to ask you if you want to consent to some field sobriety exercises.
Of course I would.
Okay.
But I just lost.
You just lost what?
It just is something with my followers.
Deputies with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office try to get Deborah to do some field sobriety tests, but she has a better idea in mind.
Why don't we just call Rick and let's just talk to him and let's just please.
Well, I don't understand how the sheriff is going to help you out of this situation.
Because I've known him for 10 years and he knows I'm not a retard.
Well, nobody has called you that. Nor do we think that. No. Let's go over here.
Yes,
Let's go over here and let's...
Oh, she's going to take off. Do me a favor.
I just want to record.
Okay, well, we're getting to
Turn
the
your
point...
car off. And listen, we're going to have to take this away from you. So, are we refusing to do the rest of these exercises?
No, of course
Then let's
not.
finish
Of course
them.
not.
Then let's
I
finish
love
them.
you guys. Like, I don't want anything.
I don't want to be in this position either, okay?
I don't. I also
And I
want
know,
to, like,
please, put the phone down.
I want to record all you guys.
We're recording
And
too.
she acts like she don't want to, but like she got my.
I know you did not...
Listen, all right, we're done.
You got my license?
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
The suspect's attempt to snatch her license back from deputies earns her a fast pass into handcuffs. Let's see how that goes for her.
Nope, because this is not going to end well for you.
Are you kidding me?
No, we are not kidding you.
Give me my phone.
Can you let them know when...
Give me my phone.
6101 Ward Code 5. We'll have one in custody.
Give me my phone.
Your phone's going with us.
No, give me my phone.
No.
Give me my phone.
Your phone will go with you.
Do you want to take this?
I'll take it.
Okay.
No.
Are
give
you
me my
PTO
phone.
certified?
She chose that. Like she has got some kind of going on with him. So we'll just really.
Yes.
Really? Like you threatening me?
No,
We're
I'm
not.
walking.
Please stop.
Are you going to walk with me, or are we going to have
Can
to
I
carry
just
you to
die
my...
my God? Damn it, can I not turn it off?
We're going to take care of all that.
take care of
Is there anything other than your phone that you want?
You're hurting me. You're hurting. hurting me! You're 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 hurting me! Stop!
61 additional unit.
Deputies are able to get Deborah down on the ground while they wait for reinforcement.
Under statute 1314, I'm allowed 14 minutes. Then I'm allowed that I'm allowed to be picked up. Where am I? 13.
You're in the parking lot of Ocean Gardens.
Yeah, 13.14 minutes. Where the f are you?
I'm standing right here next to you.
Yeah, crap. Oh, aren't you so proud? Jesus Christ. Hey, this is your life. I'm your son's teacher. I'm your son's teacher. This is what they're doing to me. Get this off of me. Get this off of me.
No.
No, you're hurting. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm telling you, I cannot breathe.
Do you need an ambulance?
I need an ambulance.
6211.
She's hurt me. She's hurt me. She's hurt me.
6211. Can you roll rescue
dear
20
God,
our
please,
way
she's hurt
reference?
me.
Our arrestee is unable to breathe.
God, you're so sick. You're so sick. You're sick.
Deputies call an ambulance for our suspect, who decides it's time for the performance of a lifetime.
Can you please just, so I can breathe?
So what we're going to do is we're going to turn you on your side. Is there another unit coming? From where? You sure about that?
Please help me!
Here, I will help you up. Roll on your side, Deb.
Moments later, other deputies and medics arrive to help.
Hey, ma'am.
She didn't want that.
No, she hurt me. She hit me in the face.
Deputies momentarily calm down our suspect, who seems to have recovered from that breathing issue.
Okay, so no injuries, you're just a little embarrassed. Okay.
She was claiming she couldn't breathe earlier.
Okay. Okay, listen, talk to me. No, she's a liar. Okay, talk to me. You f***ing liar. Okay, talk to me. Why don't you go home? Deb. I'm here. Let's talk, okay? No. Can I stand you up? Of course you can. Okay, I'm gonna stand you up. All right? Ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
While deputies load Deborah into a patrol car, other investigators search her vehicle.
No top. Yeah, no top.
Let's rewind. Deputies find an open bottle of wine in Deborah's car.
Hey, we got more wine here, but it's not open.
Investigators find a full bottle of wine and a completely empty bottle in the front seat of our suspect's car. Before all is said and done, deputies uncovered 2 empty bottles of wine, 1 half-full bottle and 1 unopened bottle. One deputy prepares to drive Deborah to the station when it seems clear our suspect should have said, "No way, Rosé."
She's choking me! She's choking me! She's choking me! She's choking me!
Another deputy goes to check on that situation.
Hey, ma'am.
She's choking me!
Ma'am. Ma'am. She's shaking. Always things going on. It's okay. Leave her right there. Just prepare that again. This is important. There's something going to happen.
I don't think we need to risk it. We can ask her if she's going to
Hey, Debbie.
fix herself.
Deborah, can I talk to you real quick?
Deputies are able to calm Deborah down again and get her to the station for a breathalyzer test.
You act like I'm some kind of crazy person. Just stop! Stop! Let go of me! Let go of me!
Please, we're not
Let go of
gonna
me!
do this again. We are not gonna do this again.
What would you do? That's what you do?
Yeah.
That's what you do?
No, we good.
No, we're good. No, we're good.
Come on, sit. Stop.
Stop.
No!
Stop it. If you bite me,
Did you
you're gonna
just-
get another charge, okay? So stop. Relax.
Me!
Deb,
Get off of me!
Relax, then.
Get off of me!
Relax.
Get off of me!
Relax.
You're choking!
Nobody's
You're
choking.
choking me!
No one's choking you, Deb. Relax.
You're
Stop.
choking me.
Relax.
No, God damn it, you're choking me.
You guys have your ID? Yeah.
I have it in the car.
You stupid.
Before heading to jail, our suspect hurls a few more insults.
Can you just look?
No, check her mouth.
Okay.
Ooh, she got in it. She got in it.
Another loud
Stop! Stop! Quit hurting me! Stop!
Rest time.
and a racial rant.
Oh, wow. You're united. Wow. A black person and a white person united. But you don't give a about her. You stupid. You hate her. You hate her because she's black. You can't stand it. Because she gets everything that you think that you
Oh, wait,
should
hold on.
get.
I got one more thing.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Deborah.
Yeah.
One more thing.
Oh, yeah.
Deborah.
Yeah.
Deborah.
Okay. Oh, she gets everything. Oh, she shouldn't get everything. She shouldn't because she...
If you refuse to take the test I have, sit down.
You didn't tell me to sit down.
All before suddenly forgetting how to speak English.
But a interpreter right now, and if I am not an interpreter, I will be. Oh. I'm
Uncross the nucle.
Deputies manage to get Deborah to the jail, where things don't exactly cool down.
Weirdo. Stop! God.
DUI,
Battery gonna lead up.
battery only.
No, DUI. No, it's not DUI, you stupid. We both know what you did. I had to stop! I'm having breast cancer! God! I'm under... Stop it! Okay, I'm sorry, I don't speak... Don't... Okay.
Deborah's searched before she's taken inside the jail, where she's asked to remove her jewelry. Spoiler alert, she doesn't take that request very well.
We have to take the jewelry off.
It's not gonna happen. It's a either one to you, or we need to put it in the jam. Stop! Stop hurting me! Stop!
Yeah.
Go straight to booking.
I gotta put it in the...
You're breaking my arm! You mother...
Stop.
Deputies then decide it's time to restrain our suspect in a chair. Let's see how that goes.
Get off! You mother... You get off! That's my mother! You get off of me, you mother... I will kill you! Hey, you get the f*** off of me! You get the f*** off of me! You get the f*** off of me!
Down.
You tell that mother... Get the f*** off of me!
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Please. Okay, calm down.
Get off of me! Get off of me! Don't touch my hair, you stupid ass!
And keeping up with their antics, deputies decide to place a spit mask over Deborah's head.
Oh, here we go. Really?
Baby, I'm trying to work with you. Now working with me.
Okay, so we're gonna do
And this is where we ended up.
I'm trying to work with you. I'm not doing anything to you. Alright? You gotta calm down. You have to, okay?
Deborah Odom was charged with DUI and resisting arrest. She later pled no contest to the charges and was sentenced to probation, along with a suspended license and fines.
I'll